I'm a professional waxing specialist and have been for over 25 years now. I wax male and females from head to toe. I'm also a trained high-tech trainer. I can assure you, in fact, I don't even want to tell you because it's almost sort of been my little secret. I use the opal hot wax, and there is nothing, and I can assure you, as I say, I've been in the business for many, many years. When it first came out, I always used Plant de Gaulle, which was my go-to wax, and I never thought anything could actually be better. Well, I then started using, when opal first came out, I used it for the first time and I could not believe what I was using. The quality of the wax is superb. The way that the wax actually has a slightly lower melting point, and its stability is beautiful. The elasticity is superb. You never get cracking, and it's I mean, as I say, I've always kept it as my little secret, so shh, don't tell. Yeah.